Hi, I'm Bob Hadden. I'm the National Account Manager for Sawmill Packaging Systems. We're Canadian owned, but we have about 105 locations in all of North America. The packaging group, which is this show is from, is based out of Woodridge, Illinois. So Sawmill Packaging is unitizing experts, right? We unitize loads of lumber and wafer board and OSB, right? We've been doing this for lots of years, and at this show we've been showing off our newest technologies. So the forest industry has been one of Sawmill's bread and butter industries since the late 60s. In the 60s, there wasn't a lot of automation at the forestry sectors, and when we started to automate, so before everybody was just using a hand tool, and the amount of production coming out of a sawmill was limited. But we addressed that and built automated machines. So our first machines appear 1968, 1970. So we've been at this for over 50 years, developing and changing technology. And forestry has always been a bread and butter. We started when they were using steel strapping, and now they use polyester strapping. And we've kind of rode that technology the entire way, and it's one of the things that makes us a market leader. For years, us and our competitors, some of our major competitors, were neck and neck, but we've invested an awful lot of money and time in R&D since the COVID economy came, trying to address supply chain issues and also build new technology for our customer. So everything that we're showing here is brand new technology. Well, there's an awful lot of technology that's been put into the machines as far as guarding that you can see in the background. You might not see in the camera, but there's an awful lot of photo cells and centers, and there's lockouts, and everything like that has been done to ensure that the product's safe. We've also changed. I mean, originally the technology was using metal strapping, and metal strapping had issues when you cut it. It would have a real bad bounce back and you get cutting happening. So we've converted them to plastic or polyester strapping, which is 100% recycled. In fact, we make the strapping for the lumber industry out of 100% recycled content. Well, what excites us about it is, at the end of the day, it always creates challenges for their suppliers. As they continue to automate, we can't sit still and watch them automate, because it becomes gaps. Right? Today we're seeing things like auto wrappers, where you would never see an auto wrapper, and they're wrapping loads by automatic, and they wrap them so fast that we had to build a faster machine in order to be able to keep up with the wrapping cycle. So we're always getting challenged to service their needs, and as they keep pushing us, we keep stepping up to the plate, and that's why you're seeing what we've got today. We've got a whole bunch of winners. We had a great show this year, lots of interest from lots of people for the exact reasons you're talking about.